Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to change video settings in Google Maps. This is very simple and easy, but it's very useful. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Now let's start. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Then tap on profile picture icon. Now tap on settings. Then tap on video settings. Here you can see three options: autoplay off, autoplay always on, and autoplay on Wi-Fi only. If you want to save mobile data, then select autoplay on Wi-Fi only. That means Google Maps autoplay video when you are connecting to Wi-Fi. It don't play when you are using mobile internet. And then tap on save. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.